Heavy truck traffic and poor air quality are among the concerns of a group of people in Milton, upset about the construction at CN Rail's logistics hub in the city. The $250 million project isn't sitting well with the town nor Halton Region. But just yesterday, the Federal Court of Appeal struck down a lower court ruling that had halted construction. Eric Viano joins us live from Milton with the latest on this. Good evening, Eric.
Hi, Matt. Yeah, Halton and Milton have been fighting this project for years, ever since construction first started in 2021. Now, I'm going to step out of the way so you can take a look at these houses here behind me. They're right next to where the project is actually being constructed, and it's these residential areas that the region says it's concerned about. The councillor for this area says the construction and operation of the intermodal hub being so close will pose serious health and safety risks, pointing specifically to air quality.
And that includes concerns about respiratory diseases, even cardiac diseases. In a community that is going to house at least 34,000 people, schools, hospitals, that is unacceptable.
It was these concerns that first led to a lower court to halt construction back in March. But CN filed an appeal and requested stay of that decision. Last week, that request was approved.
That's something that's disappointing for the community, myself too.
The $250 million project aims to double CN's existing line of tracks in the area and construct a hub for containers to be transferred between semi-trucks and freight cars. Stacey Newman with advocacy group Milton says no, says that heavy truck traffic is a concern because of the potential increase in emissions. So she says she wants CN Rail to construct the hub somewhere else.
We are not opposed to intermodal. It's about putting these locations, which are important in the Canadian landscape, in good locations that are safe, that are zoned for heavy industry, that don't pose a risk to residential communities in the direct vicinity.
Now, another point of tension in all of this is this road closure right here for the hub's construction. It's at lower base line between First Line and Tremaine Road. The town of Milton has said that it never gave CN Rail approval for this closure.
We have tried to stop it, but it has not worked.
When CN is allowed to do the things that they're doing, it feels like we are powerless as a community.
CN has previously told CHCH News it received approval from the Canadian Transport Agency and that it has attempted to collaborate with the region and town. Councillor Sameera Ali says the region and town will continue to fight the project.
I do urge our federal politicians to take this matter seriously. We will make sure that, we stand up for Miltonians, stand up for Canadians and their right to have a safe and healthy environment.
Now, we reached out to CN Rail for comment today, but they have yet to get back to us. But they have said in recent days that this project is critical in meeting demand.